Sunday, December 3rd. That's some news today regarding Comet 12P PONS-BROOKS, our 1812 comet. Today, near Vega, still in the constellation Lyra, the harp, the musical constellation, frequency, music, energy, you name it. As always, I'm looking at this from Jerusalem, and today's coma diameter is estimated at 100 kilometers wide. This data is before the new outburst. We have another outburst, number 5. So this is where this is at. So that's where she's at. Now this image comes from Japan. Okay, this one was taken on the 3rd this morning, and it shows the horns characteristic returning. It has that look. It's another outburst that occurred here. In this image here, he's comparing the image from November 22nd, a dramatic change that you can't believe it. It's the same celestial body. Like I said, this comet has its 5th outburst on the 30th of November, the 5th. So let's take a look. November, it looked like this, like fuzzy, faded. Now today with the new outburst, it looks like this, kind of like a solid coma diameter and brighter. Look at the size of the two. Okay, and this image here by this person right here describes it. The comet's nucleus reference an opposite outburst again, so it enlarged the bright coma in the center and the pale blue coma, tail coma spreading outwards. You will see too. Okay, there's the other outburst again. That characteristic is back. So it outbursts for the 5th time. This time it has a stranger. It seems to be more toward the upper this time part. I still believe there's a tag along here. Who knows? Now in this image here, we got Vega, and there's the comet right there. And Vega is one of the 5th, I think the 3rd brightest star in the night sky. Magnitude 0. It used to be back in the 10,500 BC, the North Star. Vega. Okay, in this image here, where we have kind of looks like the returns of Comet Holmes. Yes, it does. And these are the 5 outbursts so far it had back in August, October, November 22nd, and just now. And this comet is still approximately 5 months away. Right now it's at 2.582 AUs, which is approximately 240 million miles away. Just to give you an idea, from the Earth to the Sun is 92 million. Just to give you an idea, the distance where it's located. Okay, here's the Sun. Here we are. And that's the path it's going to take. And it reaches this point right here where this pointer's pointing. That's the northern part right above the Sun. Magnetic field line located. And that date, when it reaches that point right here where the pointer's at, observations the solution date 4,981. On spaceweather, the last image they have is from Oslo, Norway, of the new outburst reported on the 1st. Here it looks like a thick round ball, bright. Going back, it is still off the chart. I am amazed they haven't redone this. Still have it at a 4. It's off track. Remember, anything above 3. Okay, they have it at the naked eye, suburbs, binocular cities, suburban, faintest naked eye visible from many smaller cities. But the way it's moving, it's looking like it'll reach into the 3, the 2, or the 1. If it gets to a 0, the brightest star is Vega, believe it or not, the one it's next to right now. Naked eye, difficult if near bright artificial lights, but generally visible even from large city. Now, if it gets to a -1, now we're talking like Hellbop. And the way it's going, you never know. Just to give you an idea what I was meaning by the magnetic line. When it gets to this northern point, this is where you have a lot of energy from the Sun, north and south. And there's a paper on it right here, solar magnetic field, and a whole bunch of papers, a whole bunch of studies on it describing this area right here. Hopefully the next time will be Grandpa sitting in the chair talking about how the locals are destroying the planet. When Grandpa gets on the couch and starts talking, he wants to talk about, okay, until next time. I think it's the best movie I've seen in years, since Endgame. Till next time.